Good morning students. This is class 11th home science class and we are studying chapter number 5th nutritive element in food. In last video we studied about protein and today we will study about effect of protein deficiency, that is malnutrition. Malnutrition means kuposhan. Protein malnutrition is widely prevalent among weaned infants and preschool children in India and other developing countries. It is most popular in small children. It causes the following diseases. Number 1 is kwashiorkor, and in growth failure, mental changes, oedema, muscle wasting, moon face, skin and hair changes, anemia, vitamin deficiency, and second is marasmus. So first of all we will study about kwashiorkor. This word was invented by Dr. Stickley Williams in 1935. The term kwashiorkor is coined for the disease which the child gets when the next baby is born. Hence it is called the sickness of the disposed child. And what are the symptoms of this disease? Growth failure, the body stops growing, mental changes, child become restless, inert and exhibits disinterest in this surrounding. Oedema, it occurs in the feet, lower legs, thighs and hands. It is caused due to lowered serum albumin, muscle wasting, moon face, skin and hair changes. Anemia, it is also present in this disease. It may be aggravated by other infections. And last is vitamin deficiency. Second disease is marasmus. It is caused due to a protein and calorie deficient diet. It mostly occurs in the weaned children. This disease is followed by diarrheal disease. The symptoms of this disease are growth retardation, severe wasting of muscles, the skin become dry, scaly and atrophic, dehydration occurs easily, बहुत ही आसानी से dehydration हो जाता है. So this was the deficiency of proteins. Second, now we will study about vitamins. Vitamins are complex organic substances required for growth, development and normal functioning of the tissues. It is also known as disease fighting elements. In its absence, the body is unable to utilize the dietary carbohydrates, proteins and fats properly. They give us the power to fight against diseases. जो विटामिन्स होते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी को ये क्षमता देते हैं कि हम किसी भी डिजीज़ से लड़ सकें, फाइट कर सकें. एंड इट इज़ एविडेंट फ्रॉम द गिवन टेबल. जो भी चीज़ें हैं कि किस चीज़ से आपको कितनी क्वांटिटी इसकी प्राप्त होती है. विटामिन्स के क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ विटामिन्स. Vitamins are classified into two forms, that is fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Some vitamins are soluble in water but some are only soluble in fats. Fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin soluble in fat solvent but insoluble in water, and water soluble vitamin, that is vitamin soluble in water but insoluble in fat. So fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A and carotene, D, E and K. These vitamins are only soluble in fats. And water soluble vitamins, vitamin B, vitamin B1, riboflavin, nicotinic acid, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin C, P, etc. विटामिन B12, ये सारे जो भी हैं ये सारे वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन्स होते हैं. सो फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन में सबसे पहला जो आपको दिख रहा है दैट इज़ विटामिन ए. इट इज़ पॉपुलरली कॉल्ड रेटिनॉल. फंक्शंस क्या हैं इनके? विटामिन ए इज़ डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व इन द केमिकल चेंजेस अकरिंग during vision. It is also essential for the growth and division of epithelial cells, which is present as the outer layer of nose, cheek, trachea, alimentary canal, kidney, and reproductive organ. It is important for reproductive function and human growth. It helps in bone formation. It keeps nervous system healthy. Its deficiency causes night blindness and other eye diseases. So it is important in eye diseases, most of, we can say. Sources, the richest source is cod liver oil, liver tissues of animal, egg, butter, cheese, carrot, yellow vegetable, green vegetable, and sweet potatoes. Next is vitamin D. It is popularly called active vitamin. It is calciferol, and it is found in plants as well as in animals. What are the functions of this vitamin? It regulates the absorption as well as the utilization of calcium and phosphorus. It is essential for the formation of bones and fibers. It also regulates the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus. It regulates the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus कि जो भी अगर आपने कैल्शियम ले लिया, फॉस्फोरस ले लिया, बट अगर आपकी बॉडी में विटामिन डी की कमी है तो ये चीज़ें भी आपकी बॉडी उसको यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाएगी, यूज़ नहीं कर पाएगी. ठीक है. सोर्सेस कॉड लिवर ऑयल, एग योक, एनिमल लिवर एंड रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन डी. ये सारे तो हो गए. और सबसे पहला जो है, इट कैन बी सिंथेसाइज्ड इन द स्किन इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम प्रिकर्सर्स बाय सोलर रेडिएशन. सूर्य की जो रोशनी किरणें होती हैं ये भी विटामिन डी का अच्छा सोर्स मानी जाती है और हमारी स्किन इसको डायरेक्टली वहाँ से अब्जॉर्ब कर सकती है. इसकी कमी से जो डिजीज़ होती है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिकेट्स. ये है आपका डायग्राम जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं पैर सब बच्चों के जो होते हैं वो टेढ़े बेढ़े से हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस डिजीज़ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बोन्स. Vitamin E, this is also called tocopherol. It is closely related with the reproduction related hormones. जितने भी reproductive hormones होते हैं उनको ये रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ये सारे ही होते हैं विटामिन E. Sources, it regulates menstruation and increase lactation in female. Sources क्या हैं इनके? विटामिन E के सोर्स हैं आपके कॉटन सीड ऑयल, कॉर्न ऑयल एंड जर्मिनेटेड वीट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो फाउंड इन टोमेटो, पी, बनाना, कैरट, मीट, फिश एंड एग्स. नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन के. It is involved in the synthesis of prothrombin which plays an important role in blood clotting. कहीं भी आपको अगर कट लग जाता है तो यू से दैट ब्लड स्टार्ट्स क्लॉटिंग, खून तुरंत ही जमना शुरू हो जाता है. बट इफ़ देयर इज़ अ डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन के इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सोर्सेज क्या हैं इनके? अल्फाल्फा, कैबेज, cauliflower, टमाटो, spinach and other green vegetables are rich sources of vitamin K. So these was about fat soluble vitamins. Next we will study about water soluble vitamins. So first of all there is vitamin C. It is popularly known as anti-scurvy vitamin because its deficiency causes scurvy in the men. इसकी कमी से स्कर्वी होता है, सो इसे हम लोग एंटी स्कर्वी विटामिन भी कहते हैं. फंक्शंस, it is an essential factor responsible for collagen biosynthesis. It is essential for the formation and growth of connective tissue, cartilages, bones, teeth, etc. in our body. It provides freshness and vitality and help in wound healing and repairing of injured body parts. It increases the resistance of the body. What are the sources? Citrus fruits. All citrus fruits are good source of vitamin C, like lemon, orange, grape, tomato, all. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes scurvy. Deficiency symptoms also include retardation of growth, swelling and pain at joints, hemorrhage of gums and loosening of teeth. One shows a feeling of fatigue and neuromuscular coordination is impaired. This is the scurvy disease. विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स, और इसके भी कई सारे इंपॉर्टेंट विटामिन हैं, जैसे कि विटामिन B1 और थायमिन। 13 टाइप्स हैं विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स के। दिस ग्रुप कॉन्सिस्ट ऑफ 13 टाइप्स ऑफ डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, जिसमें कि हम कुछ देखेंगे। सबसे पहले वी विल स्टडी अबाउट विटामिन B1 और थायमिन। इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाई Takakay in 1885 when he prevented the occurrence of beriberi in his navy. Jansen and Donath isolated it in 1926 in a crystalline form from polished rice. They found it from polished rice. Thiamine is a complex organic compound readily soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. It is stable in acid medium. Thiamine is easily absorbed in our intestine, in our small intestine. Effects of deficiency. Its deficiency causes beriberi in human being. In adult, 2 types of beriberi, that is wet and dry, occur commonly. Infants suffer from some other kinds of beriberi. और सिम्टम्स क्या है इसके? वेट एंड ड्राई टाइप्स इज सिमिलर इन नेचर. इट बिगिंस विथ एनोरेक्सिया, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट, भूख मर जाती है, एंड dyspepsia. Gradually the legs become heavier and they start feeling weak. A severe state of disease causes pains and needles and numbness in legs. The knee jerks and sluggish, slightly exaggerated. To prevent this disease, thiamine supplement diet are very easily given to the patient. These thiamine-rich diets are as following. Here is the deficiency, disease, sources and usefulness of vitamins. In this chart you can see, और आपको ये चार्ट प्रिपेयर भी करनी है, ठीक है। सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग इसके आगे का जो पोर्शन बचा है वो स्टडी करेंगे। टिल देन स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर, गुड बाय।